Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to tie a tie. The first thing I'd like you to do is to drape the tie around your neck so that the tail is significantly shorter than the fat side of the tie. Then I'd like you to take the fat side of the tie and bring it across the front. Then fold it around the back. Fold it up and down through the neck hole. Fold it across the front and fold it back up through the neck hole. Then take the tip and run it down right behind the front of the knot. Give it a good hard tug. It should look ugly. Stretch the top, squish the bottom, stretch the top, squish the bottom. We got a nice triangle. Grab the tail, 2 fingers under the knot, shimmy it up around your neck. Okay, straighten it out. We'll step back and take a look. Okay, so as you can see, the tie is a little bit short. For me, I like my ties to come down just below the belt buckle. If you're having trouble getting the tie to length, go ahead and check out my other video over here on how to tie a tie to length. Hope that helps.